Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix an Android phone that won't connect to Bluetooth. So there are seven solutions to this. The first one is you can just try to turn the Bluetooth on or off on your phone. So this is the Bluetooth on my phone, so I'm going to just long press on it. Here I'm going to go to the Bluetooth settings, and you can just turn it off and on again and see if the problem fixed. But if you cannot fix this, you can just retry. To the second option is you can restart your phone, and after that, if it's still not working, you can restart the Bluetooth device you are trying to connect. So go to the device that you want to connect and turn it on and off again. And after that, on the third solution, you can try to clear the Bluetooth cache. So you can just go to the settings and find the app settings on your phone. Okay, after that, here you can just click on see all apps. Click on the three dots icon, and here click on show system apps and find the Bluetooth apps on the phone. So this one, click on the Bluetooth, and in here go to the storage and cache and try to clearing the cache. And after that, the fifth solution is that you can just forget the Bluetooth device that you are trying to connect. So let's find the Bluetooth that I want to connect. Okay, so go to the Bluetooth and devices. So for example, in here, this is the device that I try to connect. So you can just click on the settings on the device, and here forget it first. Click on forget device, and after that you can try to connect it again by pairing it again. So click on the Bluetooth, and after that try to pair again. So if it's still not working, you can check for any updates on your phone. Maybe your system operation is outdated, so you can just go to the system in here and check for any updates. Or you can just reset the Bluetooth on your phone. So by going to the system, and here click on the reset options, and there will be this option reset Wi-Fi and mobile and Bluetooth. You can go to the reset settings, and here you need to enter your pin, and you can just reset the Bluetooth on your phone. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.